Damn it.
Are you tired of hassling with your seatbelt? Well, no worries, friend. We've got a solution for you. Get the course Footsie with Your Seatbelt by Carissa Drum. Learn different techniques, such as the big toe caress. And the round technique. After completing this course, you will be able to put your seatbelt on with ease and animosity. Bingo! If you master these techniques, your seatbelt will purr on release. This is a real testimony from real people living in the real world. This is Harry and Rosie Bottom.
We just got married, but our minivan seatbelts were being temperamental. We wanted to fix this problem before the baby came, so we tried Carissa Drum's course called Footsie with Your Seatbelt, and it changed our lives.
Well, my name is Lakeisha, and there was absolutely nothing wrong with my seatbelt. But I was walking one day, and I saw the course, and I thought, what the heck? May as well try it. So I did. And it taught me how to play footsie with my seatbelt. It made me feel so alive. I never played footsie before. Come to think of it, never had anybody to play footsie with. Hey, is the cameraman single?
You have heard from our testimonials, and you have seen our results. Now it is your turn. With 8 easy payments of $19.95, you can call the number below. 1-800-FOOTSIE. 1-800-FOOTSIE. Yes, that's right. 1-800-FOOTSIE. 1-800-FOOTSIE. Do you have the power to turn your seatbelt on?
I do. I do. I do. We all do.
Thank you for joining us today, folks. And catch Carissa in her new book, Does Your Turtle Have Eczema? Ta-ta.
Boys talking down on the sidelines, watching, wishing they was playing the game we playing, but it's all good though. Oh wow, Brooke, what up, baby?
What did you call me?